Hey everybody, it's me, Splash. Hey, do you want to come inside to my clubhouse? Well, alright, let's go. Ha, I almost forgot. To make the clubhouse appear, we get to say the magic words. The magic words are Miska, Muska, Splash. Say it with me. Miska, Muska, Splash.
Splash, Splash, it's the Splashes Clubhouse. Come inside, it's fun inside. Splashes Clubhouse. Roll call, Duolingo, Floof Dog, Bubbles, Dunk, Ripple, Splash.
Right here.
It's the Splashes Clubhouse. Come inside, it's fun inside. Splashes Clubhouse. Splash.
It's the Splashes Clubhouse.